Splatoon Raiders just dropped, and Opus 5 came out at the perfect time. People are already saying it might beat Fable 5, so today I'm putting that to the test by having both recreate Splatoon Raiders. To keep things fair, I used ChatGPT to make one prompt and gave it to both models.
Okay, so this is what Opus 5 created, Chroma Raiders. So let's start rating. And so it looks pretty good so far. There's deploy, loadouts. We can change our loadout, I guess, if we had other guns. There's upgrades. Let's upgrade our health. It's pretty cool. There's a decent amount of upgrades. And core, which I guess is just how like, your type of character. And it looks like there's different levels we can reach. We're level 1. You have 0 XP. And I guess we'll just deploy. We'll go in relaxed mode to just see how it starts out. So starting out, okay, I guess this is an enemy. But where else are we getting shot from? Like, it's kind of hard to see. I guess, like, whatever this is supposed to be is where we're getting shot from. But it is not very clear. Like, I don't know if it's a glitch or if this is how it's trying to be. But we can't really see. And we just got wiped. So let's try to get deployed again and see. But I've been hearing about, with all the benchmarks, how Opus 5 is like basically the same as Fable 5 or even better because of pricing and different things. So I wanted to see how good it actually is at like just creating games and doing all that stuff. And so it'll be interesting to see. So I guess we have to like cook at these. Okay. Oh wait, we got a weapon. Okay, wait, this is cool. Okay. Can we keep this weapon? So I just want to see how it actually performs with other things. Let's go to slot 2, slot 1. Okay, we're gonna get cooked here. And so far it looks pretty good, to be honest. We're about to get cooked though. I don't want to get cooked. They have different types of guns. I'm just trying to run away, see if we can find stuff. And right after this, we'll go see what Fable decided to create. I'm actually interested because I know Fable's really good. I haven't really used Fable too much besides sometimes at work. But nothing crazy. Let's see if we could change our loadout. Okay, this is cool. So we can change our loadout for this. And then we'll put this as 2. We can go upgrade. We got a lot of money. So we'll do this. We'll upgrade our shield too because we keep dying. And magazine, why not? Overall gameplay is pretty good. We're still level 1, so I guess it takes a minute to even level up. We could switch guns. Yeah, switching guns works. Yeah, so switching guns works. Sorry. And I don't know what's happening. Like, you can barely see where you're getting attacked, which is my biggest complaint. Is because you're just getting sprayed at, but you don't even see the actual enemies, so it makes it harder to even try to dodge. And okay, this is only wave 1 too, by the way, and this is on the easiest difficulty, which is kind of crazy. I could just be super trash, to be honest, which I kind of am at games, I'm not gonna even lie, but I do think it's harder than it should be, because as you can see, like, you can really see them besides, I guess, the dots, but then like they go away. They just like, so I'm trying to just see if we can cook. Oh wait, we're kind of cooking right now. So can we pick this up? Okay, we're gonna pick this up as well. Okay, wait, they're still okay. We're on wave 2 now. We're not doing as bad, even though we're about to die. Okay, we picked up some good loot. We'll do one more run. We'll see how that does. See if the upgrades. Let's get weapon damage and also damage taken. Should be okay. Let's see if we can get past the first wave at least. Okay. I'm just gonna keep it jumping. Okay, 5 left. Okay. Also, yeah, you don't even know where really to go. There's like nothing here to see. There's no enemies. I don't know if they're hiding or it's glitched. But okay. Literally going everywhere trying to find them. Don't see anything. Can we jump on this? We can't. Wait, where are they shooting from? Like, what? Where are they shooting? Like, what? Yeah, I think this is like glitched. Well, okay. That's kind of funny. As you guys can see, it's like kind of weird. Like, you can't even see the enemies really. So we'll see how Fable 5 does. So this is what Fable 5 created, Prism Fall. So let's get started. So right off the bat, the first difference is just the layout. In Opus, it didn't give us an open world. As we can see here, we have different upgrades, kind of similar. There are a lot less upgrades here in this one. Let's go check this out as well. So this is similar to the gear locker that Opus had, and we can choose a different abilities. So it's a bit different. Overall, the graphics look kind of similar. So let's go to a raid. It's kind of cool. We can see the different raids. And let's get started and see. They both have 3 waves for the first one. The first difference is you can actually see the enemies instead. I would say this one seems a lot easier. So, okay. We fell off. Let's see. Oh, wait. This is actually more like actual Splatoon. Because you have like this, or I guess we can go under kind of. It does seem a lot easier though, because they don't even have projectiles or do anything. So let's see. We take this. What will that even do? They both use prisms. Oh, okay. I guess some shoot and some don't. So I guess this one has more variety, to be honest, than Opus, and it's actually interesting because Opus took a lot longer to do. Okay, that's our super. A lot longer to make than Fable. So it's very interesting because so far Fable is still better, in my opinion. I think the assets are pretty similar. Like I don't know which one is actually like better. They're both relatively equal. Okay, there's a bunch over here. Use the move. Let's see what the boss is. Okay, they're getting a little harder now. Just because they're kind of aggressive. Let's see, can we pick this up? Okay, we cooked them. Something big is stirring. Okay, so this is the monster. The boss raid, I guess. Okay, we'll use that. I guess. Okay, so its move is like bust down on you, basically. Okay, we're about to cook, though. Oh, we're about to get cooked, I guess. Oh, okay, so it can spawn children. Oh my gosh. Okay, wait. Need to keep jumping. Okay, we cooked it. It's not that bad. Let's pick up all this. We still have to eliminate this. Okay, we could return to the hub. Let's return to the hub. Let's see what we can upgrade and see what else there is. So we can upgrade a lot of things. But let's upgrade a little bit of everything. Or maybe some stuff. Okay. We upgraded some stuff. Let's see if we have any new weapons we can use. We'll definitely equip this to 1, and we'll equip this to 2. What's scraps? I don't even know what scraps is, to be honest. And we'll keep with the same special. We have that bomb. And let's do one more mission. Let's see. So far, I would say overall, this is probably a bit better just because you can actually see the enemies. It's not like coming out of anywhere, but they are pretty similar. Besides that, so like if I fix that in Opus, they probably would be very similar. Opus would definitely still be a lot harder though, because I couldn't even clear the first round there. And it seems like your health just auto regenerates here, so it's a lot more forgiving. As long as you're not getting hit, I guess. And they do have different types of enemy types, which is also nice. Which Opus didn't really have, at least because we couldn't really see them. Okay, we're almost there. 1 wave 3 now. Okay. overall, pretty fun to be honest. I'm liking these a lot better than some of the other games that I've made with AI. This game's actually pretty fun. And Fable actually didn't take too long. It took like maybe like 30-40 minutes or something, while Opus took like over an hour. So it's definitely better to use Fable, but also Fable's just more expensive, so you keep that in mind. Then it's not too bad, to be honest. Like Opus is not bad. It's pretty comparable, to be honest, if you're taking everything into account. But let me know in the comments below what other games you would want to see Opus or Fable create. I have some in mind that I'm going to be working on. And don't forget to subscribe, and see you guys later.